Hey, what's up guys, this is Isaac back again, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to use TradingView to backtest any strategy that you have. So if you are a trader and you have a strategy but you're not so sure or you're not so confident if it works or if it doesn't work, I'm gonna teach you exactly how to use TradingView to backtest this strategy in order for you to feel more confident when it comes to trading in the real market. So let's get to the video. But first of all, I'm gonna go downstairs, I'm gonna go to my car, I'm gonna go grab some coffee, and then we're gonna come back to the computer and show you exactly how to backtest a strategy on TradingView. So let's get to the video. Okay, so one of the most important things in trading is having a strategy, and having a strategy could be a little bit confusing because as when I started too, most of the time I was just trying out different strategies, see what could potentially work for me and see what could potentially make me a win, because at the beginning it was very hard. And as many of you guys know, that when you start trading, you don't basically know exactly what you're doing until you start making some mistakes, and unfortunately those mistakes cost you money. But that's how it is, that's how any industry is about. It's about learning and experience and learning from your mistakes, because as most things in life, you actually need a strategy that's proven to work in order for you to at least know that you are going to be successful. Because if not, what's the point of just jumping into the market with no strategy? At that point you are only gambling in the market, and most of the times you are gonna end up losing money, and that's not what I want for you guys. I want you guys to start being more patiently and more profitable with every single trade that you guys take. Also, if you guys don't know exactly how to get a strategy, or you don't know exactly how to even place a trade, I recommend you guys to go to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of free content in there, and you can basically learn, copy and paste my strategy that I use every single day in the market. Or you can also go to my Telegram, which is absolutely free, where I send analysis, trade signals and breakdowns of US30 every single day for free. So go check it out. Patiently waiting for my coffee. So now I've got my coffee on, and we're ready to kill the market. So let's get it. So yeah guys, I forgot to mention something else too. I'm gonna be doing I want to get into a challenge within my YouTube channel and my YouTube community. Since now we hit 1,000 subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you for everybody that has been tuning into my videos and has actually subscribed and liked and comment. Anything counts. So there's two challenges that I want to get into, but you guys let me know which one you guys want to do down in the description, down in the comments down below. Let me know which one you guys want me to do. The first thing that I could potentially do is turning $1,000 into $10,000, which means I'm gonna be depositing $1,000 into the broker that I use, and I'm gonna be documenting every single trade that I take on this YouTube channel, and obviously I'm gonna be sending all those trades into my Telegram group, which is listed down below. Or prop firm challenge. Let me know which one you guys want me to do, and let's get into the video of how to use TradingView to backtest any trading strategy that you guys want to implement in the market. So let's get to it. What's up guys, now we are on the TradingView portion of this video. This is going to be a very quick explanation of how to use the bar replay on TradingView in order to try or test a strategy that you want to use in trading. So this is going to be pretty simple guys. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. You guys are going to go to tradingview.com. You guys are going to go to tradingview.com. I mean, if you are in this YouTube channel, you know what TradingView is. So as of right now, we are on TradingView, and if I were to retest a strategy, let's say either support and resistance, supply or demand, Fibonacci key levels, a breakout strategy, any strategy that I would like to use, I would retest it on the bar replay mode. So if you go to TradingView and you look at the replay button right here, which is right here where I'm pressing, I'm gonna press it, and it gives you like a little scissor cut of where you want the market to be cut at in order for you to start looking what the market would do if you were in that exact date. So let's say, for example, that I want to be right here. Boom. I cut everything off that was in this place. I cut it all off, and then it TradingView immediately put me where I basically wanted to be. So for the purpose of this video, this is just gonna be pretty quick. You can test any strategy that you guys have. This video is not for me to give you like a bunch of strategies on anything. If you know the strategy that I use, I suggest you check my YouTube channel. I have a lot of content for them. I have a lot of content there for you guys to check out. But this is just basically on how to use the replay mode, on how to backtest any strategy. For example, in my position, I usually trade Fibonacci key levels, and let's just give it a try. Let's give it a shot of how it works. I'm gonna place my Fibonacci key level at the lowest point and to the highest point, and I would expect to take a buy like around this key level right here, 76.40% and 78%. So I'm gonna wait for the market to pull back all the way over here. If it does, then I'll take an entry, and if it doesn't, then I won't. Okay, so this is just for the purpose of how to use the bar play in order to see where the next candlestick is going to go to, and exactly where the market is going to go, where we position the scissor cut on the replay and the replay mode of TradingView. So let's see. If you guys can tell, we have a play button right here, which is in order for you to play the market, and we also have the forward, which is the next candlestick, and here we have the speed of what we want the market to go to. Okay, so I already pressed it. Okay, whatever. So if you guys can see, I'm just gonna do a little bit forward. I'm just gonna move it a little bit forward over here because I already pressed it. So if I were to test my strategy, I would, like I said, I would take a buy like around this key level right here. I would position my long position tool right here, and I would target these highs. Let's see how it goes. Now we press the forward button, and it gives us the next candlestick. You do it again, and it gives you again the next candlestick, and you do it and so on and so forth until you see if your strategy is a good strategy, or you can use it in the market. So as you guys can see, this trade actually worked. We almost hit take profit. I wouldn't have been so greedy, so I would have just closed like around this key level. So there, it worked on the first trade. Now let's go up to another time. Now let's take the replay bar, like around this key level right here. Oh damn. Oh, okay, gotta press it. Okay, now this is another date of the market. This is December 28th, 2023. Yeah, right. Yeah, 2023. As you guys know, it's July 23rd. This is at the time as the time that I'm recording this video. So if I were to use the same strategy, the Fibonacci 2 level, I would place my lowest point from this side and my highest point to this side, and I would see how it goes. I would take an entry like around this key level. I would have taken it right here. Boom. And I would target at least a little bit above the Fibonacci 0% retracement. And yeah, you guys can see here starting moves nasty. But yeah, I would have taken off profits around this area. I'm not that greedy when it comes to the market. I would just be like, okay, now I'm good for the day. But you gotta love US30. It almost took me out, and now it decided to jump all the way back into take profit. So that's basically what US30 likes to do. It likes to play with my emotions, but it is what it is. So now, for the sake of this video, let's do it just one more time. I'm gonna go like around this area right here. Now let's go all the way up here. Boom, boom. Okay, so now we are on June 22nd of 2022. So this is almost 2 years ago, more than 2 years ago to be honest. So let's see how it goes. So I'm not gonna lie, I would have taken, this is a perfect example of the Fibonacci breakout structure entry. I would have placed the Fibonacci lowest point at this specific price, 29,670, and the highest point would be 31,827. This would be my full retracement, my bad. And I would place my long position like around this area. I would have been a little bit more aggressive, but for the sake of this video, let me see if the price gets to go around this area, which most of the time it does, because I trade US dollar every single day and I know exactly where price usually likes to react from. So let's see how it goes. If it comes back down, it's because it's gonna come back to retest the 78% key level, because we have a perfect breakout structure. So let's see how it goes. What did I tell you guys? It landed perfectly on the 78%. I'm gonna take the trade right here. This is where I would take my trade, exactly at the 78%. Let's see how it goes. Boom. What did I tell you guys? And I'm gonna target these guys, as you guys can see. Let's see if it happens. Take profit. Come on, we can do this. We're almost there. Boom. No. Almost there. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I would have taken profits already, but this is just for the sake of this video. And there, take profit. You guys can see this bar plate is life-changing for trading. If you are a new trader like I was in the beginning, I didn't know how to use this stuff. Bar replay is very important for you to check the strategy that you are going to implement into the market. This is very important for you guys to do every single day. A lot of traders in the beginning like to backtest for hours, like we just did right now. Backtest your strategy and see what you can improve to it every single time. And this is how you're gonna get better and better and better at it. The reason why I know that this specifically entry was gonna get to these highest points, because I mentioned you guys that this was a perfect breakout structure. It was because I have already, I'm not gonna say master, because I don't like to be like that. I don't like to be like a braggart or something like that. But I have already backtested this strategy like thousands of times. Trust me. And I know when I see a perfect breakout structure, when I see it, and I knew this trade was gonna play out. If you guys notice, I just roll the dice and then I just grabbed a single portion of the market, and then that's where I landed on my bar replay mode in order for you guys to see where I was going to be placing my entry. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the perfect way to backtest any strategy. And if you start backtesting any strategy, you are going to get better. I recommend you guys to use a trading journal for every single trade that you take, even on backtesting mode, because it's going to make you feel more confident, and it's going to make you realize what mistakes you are making whenever you're taking a trade that's going to be a loss. So whenever you have a losing trade, remember to always write it down on your trading journal and see what you could have done better and what you can improve for the next time that you are like on the market. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know it's a little bit hard because my English is not the perfect one, and I hope you guys understood me. Like I said, guys, I'm a Spanish speaker. The English is just like my second language, but I'm trying to do this video for the purpose of I want to make the bigger impact on this community. And if I can if I can do it in English, then I'm gonna try to do it in English. And if I have to do it in Spanish, I'm gonna do it in Spanish. Whatever. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to join my member. Don't forget to join my group on Telegram. It's completely for free. I send analysis, trades breakdowns, and signals almost every day. So don't forget to join that. Don't forget to join that Telegram group. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.